everyone. My name is Lindy, and with me I have Wondra. Wondra is the ECD expert. How are you, Wondra?
I'm fine, and you?
Welcome back.
That's very nice. You too.
Ladies, ECD practitioners, Wondra is going to take us through on how to use and make puppets in our classrooms. I'm sure everyone is just eager to know about puppets in the classroom.
Yes.
We use puppets to engage our learners in make-believe play. And we have different puppets. Am I right, Wondra?
Yes, we have.
Hand puppets, string puppets,
Stick puppets.
and stick puppets. But let's not waste time. Wondra, are you ready to show us?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Okay. Can you please explain to us what is happening here?
Well, Lindy, we need to tell stories.
Yes.
And we can tell stories by using puppets for the children to engage with their characters. Puppets is very good for language development. And if you have a shy child in your class, you can introduce that child to the puppets and they can actually speak through that character. It's also very good for emotional development, it's good for social development, for listening skills and for creativity.
Somebody told me that you can show us how to do a hand puppet.
Yes, hand puppets are really very easy to make. So before you start making your hand puppet, you need to know what characters you are going to use in your story. It can either be animals or it can be people. So a hand puppet, you can start with a paper bag and you're obviously going to need your eyes and pompons and all kinds of materials that you're going to use to make the puppet with. Even you can have a template of a face and your scissors and your glue and everything. So you start with sticking the head on and making the face with the eyes and the pompon, and you can decorate it however you want to decorate it. You can use cotton wool, you can use wool, you can use paper hair like I've done, and then you create the body. It can either be a boy or a girl, or it needs to represent a character in your story.
Right.
And if you tell your story, you must really tell your story with feeling so that these puppets can become alive.
Hi, elephant.
Hi, Lindiwe, how are you today?
Good. Right. Thank you, Wondra. That was interesting. And I just want to reiterate that you have to prepare.
Yes.
You've got all your stuff there.
Yes.
Thank you for that. Again, Wondra, man. As she sticks here, what's happening?
You don't know how I love to make stick puppets and the way they move. So stick puppets are really so easy to make. You can cut out pictures from a magazine and you can stick it on the thin sticks or even straws, or you can use some wrapped newspaper. And they don't have mouths to move, but they can really tell good stories. Imagine this is Shoki and this is Nao. And they are swimming through the deep blue sea and they are looking for this hidden treasure. But this hidden treasure is guarded by a wicked witch. So you must move them around. It's so easy to move them around. Change your voice. Voice projection is actually very important in storytelling and make them become alive.
Okay, wonderful, interesting. I learn every day, Wondra. Thank you so much for the information.
My pleasure.
Now, ECD practitioners, I'm sure you're aware that teaching and learning does not need to be boring. Learners can be engaged in make-believe play.
Yes.
Learners can make their own puppets.
Of course.
Teachers' voice, projection, facial expression, all brings their lesson alive.
Yes.
So, ECD practitioners, no more relaxing. Make your own hand puppet.
Of course.
Engage your learners in make-believe play. And let learning be fun. Let's enjoy learning. Let's keep on doing the good work that we're doing. Now it's time for us to go. Bye.
Bye-bye.